Now then, Douglas McMaster reporting for the Zero Waste Cooking School. Today we are, we're having a thought. The thought is, if you want to change the world, start by supporting people that want to change the world. This is a rum made from a brand called Discarded, using two waste products. Banana peel, which flavours and sweetens the rum, and then the rum itself is a waste product from the whiskey industry. They use the rum to season the whiskey barrels and then waste it. This rum is absolutely divine and next level zero waste. So we are going to change the world today to support Discarded in the form of a Rum Baba. Start by melting your butter on a low heat. So then we're going to make the dough. We're going to crack the eggs into a bowl. And then whisk the hell out of it. We're going to add a tiny little bit of honey. Whisk. And then we're going to add the salt. Whisk. Then we're going to add the yeast. This is fresh yeast. Crumble it up as small as you can. I just dropped a huge lump in. Boop, blooper. Make sure it's all dissolved into your eggs. Sift your flour and then slowly add the sifted flour to the egg mixture. Lastly, we're just going to mix our butter in. You don't want to work too slowly because if this mixture is really cool, the butter will set and then it'll become a solid mass. While it's still nice and warm, take a reusable piping bag. These things are amazing, super clean and wonderful. And then pop your mix into the piping bag. If you don't have a piping bag, just use a spoon. So then we want to take some molds. We've got some silicone cannelé molds, some actual cannelé molds that I've floured. And then these molds, I think there's something Norwegian that's traditionally baked in these little things. If you're going to use cannelé molds, I would say put a tiny touch of oil in the molds just to make sure they slip out. Fill the molds just halfway up because it's going to prove to double its size.
Doug, what are you doing?
It's not warm enough.
No.
The floor's not warm enough. When the Rum Babas doubled in size, bake it at 180 degrees for 10 minutes. So when the Babas are in the oven, grab a saucepan. We're going to add, this is the pre-measured rum, sugar and water, and literally just bring this up to just a simmer really. Then just pop your beautiful caramelized Babas onto a little board. To finish the Rum Babas, we're just going to soak it into this syrup for 10 to 15 seconds. So with the Baba, put something creamy and delicious with it. I've got a little rhubarb compote here. The Baba is rich and sweet and delicious and caramelized. The rhubarb has a nice bit of fruity acidity, and then I've just put a little bit of whipped cream. So take a nice little scoop of the rhubarb. Yeah. Oh wow, that is quite delightful. The bright, fruity, sweet acidity mixed with that sticky, caramelized, sweet banana. This is zero waste at its most delicious. Thank you, Discarded. Blessed be the fruit, banana skin fruit. Yeah, this is the way. This is the way to the future. One sponge to rule them all. That's the end of this Discarded transmission.